It's right there. Look at that, he just kept driving.
Damn!
In case you ever need it.
They didn't, and that's what I just talked through. I mean, they wrote us back, and sort of, that's when we had to change the deadline for the or
Oh, wow.
reinstate the deadline for the deprecation.
And so, but the
Crazy one. Just something that's.
I mean, that is pushing it for him.
Damn. Still going. Jesus Christ, brother.
Well, he brake checked the truck.
Really?
Yeah. That's why he went like that.
Oh, dude. Holy shit.
Parliament and Washington, those guys are killing over here. They're murdering.
I believe they do have an open.
Yeah, dude, those guys are all funny as shit.
God, if you saw me on stage yesterday, I could be one of those.
No! Oh my
this
God.
is amazing.
Oh no.
Oh no, bro.
Ah!
Damn, no, he's stuck.